Fellas, I got something to tell all you, boy. It's real stress, boy. See this type of bottom here? It's real expensive put in, you know. Or they don't follow my father about big bumper girl, you know. That man have money, that man could take care of them bottom here. But you see man like me, partner every week I have to buy toilet paper, boy. I telling you, a big roll to a whole box of toilet paper I have to buy, boy. I tell you it's real stress. I hear now. Just last week I have to change my toilet, you know. This girl shitting and clogging my toilet all the time, fellas, boy. It's real stress, boy. Watch now. And you can't buy soap to wash this bottom, you know. You got to buy shower gel. Or one of them power wash, man. Like, with the wash down car with, man. I tell you all you. Power wash them bottom, go to get rid of all the evidence and all these things. Big bumper girl look nice, you know. But it's hard to maintain, boy. Or they take my advice, boy.